I forget. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing a quick opening unboxing of my IPSY Glam Bag for February 2024. It's so crazy to me to say 2024. I'm just like waiting to make sure, like, is that, yes, it's still true. Anyway, here it is. We're going to open it up together, see what I got. If you are new to IPSY on my channel, hi. I'll leave more in the description down below. But IPSY is a monthly beauty subscription. You get mostly sample size items, 5 sample size items. You get to pick 1 per month, and there's like costs and stuff associated with it. But I'll let you know in the description below what those are. And without a delay, that's it. This is a cute bag, by the way. Yeet. This is very beautiful. This is everything I got. Let me set this. Let me scoot like my whole desk. I have everything on my desk right now. Let me empty this real quick. Look at this very gorgeous bag. First of all, oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, is that not the... Okay, you can't even really see it good. So let me just... Here she be. Beautiful IPSY charm. This is kind of cute. Like, I think this is just in time for like the Valentine's Day. And I love this material. It's very... Oh, dang, we got a pop of green. I love that. Hello. I might take this on my little Valentine's Day date. This is cute. It doesn't match my dress because my dress is like the reddest red, but this matches my nails and it feels really pretty. Oh, and the heart with the bow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, before I like gush too much. Oh, I always have this issue with my lips. If I eat and I have lipstick on, I get lipstick down here and I get lipstick up here every time without fail. Am I alone in that? Anybody else? Maybe? Yes. Okay. So, a little bit about IPSY Glam Bag. They send you this cute little card and sometimes it's helpful, sometimes it's not. This month, the theme is It's a Self-Love Affair, which is really cute for February 2024. Oh, is that a poem? It says, roses are red, violets are blue. It is the month of love, and we say you do too. Okay, anywho, on the inside of this card, it tells you a little bit about the items you received. Well, it tells you the items you received and a little bit about each item, how much the full size cost is of it, and on the back tells you a little bit about what's going on over at IPSY right now. It is We Heart Black Beauty. So you have Ace Beauty, Eloise, and Darcy Giles. Ooh. Oh yeah, on the YouTubes. On the YouTubes. Perfect. And then, ooh, yeah, I'm just looking at everything real quick, okay? Like, I saw this giant thing right here. Sometimes it tells you what you picked. Like, they'll put, like, a you picked and next to the item, but none of these have that on there. So I'm just going to go through each item, let you know a little bit about it. And I'm pretty sure this first item I picked because I've been super into skincare lately. They are from Wonder Beauty. They're Baggage Claim Eye Mask. It says this is the deluxe sample size. The full size has 6 in it for $26, but this has what, 2? Yeah, 2, which I think is still pretty good. Really nice. Eye masks are like so lovely. They're so quick, they're so easy, and I feel like they add the right amount of like, one, self-care, and then like moisture to what I've been missing lately, so good stuff. I think I picked those. I'm pretty sure I did. The next item is from CIATE London. Ooh, Vitamin Boost Plumping Face Primer. Just enough for maybe 1 or 2 uses. Doesn't feel very heavy, but it's in here. The full size is $28. So what do you do that It's a vitamin boost plumping primer, obviously. Okay. Niacinamide, peptides, probiotics, hydrating moisture complex. So it's good for you. We'll see. I do love CIATE London, so we'll see how this goes. I wonder. Let me know if you guys have tried this. If it's that good, I'm going to be trying it, obviously, but now I really want to know. Okay. The next item is from Feel Beauty. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand. Well, let me get it before I instead of playing with my hair. Oh, it looks like a disaster. Someone should have told me. Well, anyway, this item is from Feel Beauty. It's a probiotic moisturizer. The full size is $48. Help my skin fight the good fight. Loaded with high concentrations of probiotic actives to help your skin battle all kinds of negative daily stressors. Reduces fine lines, increases skin elasticity. Cool. Well, that's pretty neat. I'll be trying that. Not like I don't. I love all these little things. Sometimes I wish there was more, but I get it. We get what we get. That's okay. On to, what is this, are we already on the fourth item? I am. Huh. So this is from Rose Inc., which I'm pretty sure I've tried. It's the Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum in 40. Did I choose this? What? How would you know my shade? Well, I mean, IPSY has like the little profile, but how often do they stick to those? I think pretty closely, actually. The full size is $49. It says pump it onto the back of your hand, mix to activate, and then blend gently over your face. So, don't go anywhere card. I want to see what this looks like. Because I think this is one of those little things where it has the beads and then like it's suspended in like it is. I have been eyeing these from different brands, wondering how they actually work. Like how do you effectively pop the foundation or the color bubbles in there to get it evenly everywhere? Like that's my main question. And now it's like, okay, mix it yourself and then put it on. That's kind of cute. I mean, it's like little, you're a chemist, I guess. This is a teeny tiny amount. Hopefully a little bit goes a long way. I personally, I'm never going to get this back in here. I am not a mix it on my hand or put anything on my hand and put it on girl. I'm very much a put it on my skin or put it on my blender and then plop it on kind of girly. So that'll be new. I hope I remember to do that. Well, it has instructions, right? Yeah, it has instructions, so I'll be okay. That's good. Ooh, final item. So the final item for my IPSY Glam Bag for February 2024. Like, I still have to think sometimes. I'm like, Feb 2024. Okay. This is from Half Caked. It's the Double Dipper Matte Bronzer in Siesta Key. The full size of this is $18. This is really cute. Why do you call me Double Dipper? Oh, I don't want to drop it. So I'm like, I want to open it on my lap. Okay. Tore it open. Yeah, I moved my trash can over here so I don't have to like eat it behind me and then half of it ends up on the floor. This is cute, by the way. Oh, look how little. That's adorable. I think I really like this shade too. It might be a smidge too dark for me, but I feel like it's just up there where if I go light enough, it's gonna work perfect. Don't build, do not build, not for me. No. But other than that, this is really cute. And I do enjoy the brand Half Caked, so win-win. Awesome. Is that everything? That was quick. So normally I get like 1 or 2 full-size things in my bag, which is like okay because honestly, I feel like this is a full-size item. because there are companies out there that sell like 1 or 2 of their little eye masks and they're like $12. No, we're not doing that. So cool. And I'm gonna count everything back and put it back in the cute little baggie I got it from. So 1, foundation, might be my skin color, a bronzer, right? Yeah, bronzer, a moisturizer, a primer, and then the eye patches. They can't fit those in here? Maybe. Everything else fit in the bag really well, but yes, but no. No, well, yeah, but I kind of had to like squish it down. Well, you heard me. I had to squish it, wiggle it, hit it a little bit, but it's in here. It's all in here. This is it. This is everything. My whole IPSY Glam Bag for February 2024. I swear, I almost said 2023, but I didn't. But that's it. Everything's in here. Ready to go. Exciting. Anywho, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to go play with these, at least my eye masks right now. I kind of want to dip into the foundation, but I'm like, should I save it until I actually use it? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I will catch you next time. Remember, if you like this video, you can always hit that like and subscribe button and watch all my other IPSY videos on the IPSY playlist on my channel. Bye!